So guys, it's me, Golden 698 today. I'm playing a new update on 999 Forest today. I have to change my voice into a little bit depth. I don't like any voice type grumpy. So today I'm not, now I'm not a kid. Today actually I'm not a kid now. Now I become 9 years old. Okay, I'm going to check for finally, that man just made the compass. Yo, good job, man. Wait, you, come on. Let's go. Whew, the fire gets max level. The fire gets 100% map. Okay, good thing is fire gets 100% map. One thing is I want to say. Machine, okay. Bro, hell no. You okay? Things I need to chew down myself. I'm screaming too much. Oh. Yo, some shekels. Some shekels. Okay, I see some. No way! Good axe. Look, guys. No, good. Okay, I think I'm just search for a good. The fire get again. Oh, the flashlight. It's nice for me. I get a bandage. Bro, I feel stronger right now. Lucky for me. Here's this bio mode. Finally, uh, I think I can get so much shekels. Money! Oh, I think I'm getting so much shekels. But money! Oh, castle face. Money! 65 money! Oh. No way! No way! Only got this freaking spearman. I need this spear, but no. No way.